Ochi Race. I guess this is the town. It looks like the town. Looking rather boring to me on this Sunday afternoon. And we have left Dunn's River. When we were leaving, oh my God, the crowd just are coming. Oh. But we are looking something to eat food. I don't want fast food. It's just all fast food like Kingston. And I don't want that. So we are driving around to see if we can find like some jerk chicken or something. I don't know what we're gonna find, but this is it. This is as it gets. So we're gonna go and drive around to see if we can find something. I hope we can find something. Something different other than fried chicken and burger. Something different than that, Barry. Like a steamed fish, nice hot steamed fish, you know, or a nice, you know, bowl of soup or something. If I don't get that, I will be disappointed. But like we see how it go. We see how it go.
festival.
Safari a food time. Is a festival? Festival is? Yeah. What is my food? What kind of food is? What your food is safari. So this is my food. I don't even know why. A quarter of all this? And then give me all for gravy. I never want a gravy. Safari, this is my food. Cover you buy.
Jerk pork, festival and
So
fries.
cover. Me see your food, Jerry. What you buy?
This is the pork.
Oh, this is Camera Girl's jerk pork. Yeah, where you buy jerk? Me say jerk pork, not cold. I went, lad, you saw me show on the party? Look there, you almost can't see it. Yeah, man. Them not syringe the pork, worthless. Party, you know, so me I tell you about when me I do my cooking, me I do my thing though. Them must see, me show them see, show them it. What it talk about me them see. Look at that. Turn it around good, turn me on the camera. Them it not swear now. Yeah. Yes, it is so worthless. Yeah, bad Jerry. Jerk pork too?
No, chicken.
Put it down now. The jerk pork. You know, see food.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken and festival. That's your food there. That's food there. I want to have no ambition. Apparently, we're going to wrap up the fella. What's your food there? But I'm disappointed. So, I tell you, apparently, I tell you, say, I'm going there and I tell you. Look a bit. So, Pari, we're on the reverse. We're heading back into Kingston. Wanted to stay a little longer, but actually we left late, and then Jer have some extra work for go do at home. So we're on our way back. You know, so we just hit the highway. You know, see where we come and see where we go back. So that's what is happening now. On the highway cruising back home in about another 3 o'clock. So the sun bright out and all of that. Wasn't bad, it could be better for me, but take your time cruising back. Alright, catch you in the next clip.